Pie charts are not for every type of data, but can work well where you want to display parts of a whole. For example, here I have the top 5 coffee producing countries in the world, and we want to display this in a pie chart. First, I'm going to select my data and then make or add a pie command. There it is. Boom, I have my pie chart. The other thing that I can do here is I can change what is displayed. I can show not just the name, but I can change to display the name and the percent. In addition, DataGraph gives you control over this in such a way that you can easily convert your pie chart into a donut chart, which is a nice modern looking alternative to the pie chart that can display the same data, but I think it has a nice look to it. Your pro tip for this video is what to do when you have pretty long names and you are limited in space. Well, what I like to do is to, is to add in a legend here instead for displaying the longer names and use a shorter name like I have here, the country codes, in my graph itself. To do that, first thing you can do is add a legend command in order to show the legend. And yes, we can see there's the name that I chose here is in the legend. But to show something different on the pie or donut itself, you can expand open, find where it says label, and let's set that to the code. It won't immediately change what you see in the graphic because you also do need to select what you're displaying. You have control over that. So here I'll change now to display the label within my donut chart and use the short labels within the chart and the long ones in the legend. So that is a quick intro to both pie and donut charts within DataGraph.